Hey gang, what's up? It's Amy Harber. It's time for another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. This is the super fun, super cute Ipsy February 2021 glam bag. Hashtag send love. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails. You deserve it all, or in my case, super bright green. Anyway, let's get into the fun products. I'm so excited to tell you about this one that has a personal significance to me. So let's get to it. So hey, this is a super cute Ipsy bag. Look at it. It's like a little envelope. Get little lips there. Sealed with a kiss. Oh my gosh, so adorbs. Like really, this might be one of the cutest bags in a while. So, send love. So, things, they went back to not doing the products. It drives me crazy. I like it better when they have a description of the products here. But anyway, it says, wear pink eye glitter. All kinds of fun stuff. I love it much better when they put the products there. So anyway, just gonna have to guess here maybe. I don't know. No, we won't. We have the Codage Paris Micro Peeling Mask. It exfoliates, it's anti-aging. I'm pretty sure that you just put it on your face and then scrub it off. I hope so. I don't like having to like peel it off or something. Oh, there we go. Smooth onto clean, dry skin. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes and then wash it off. Yes, there we go. Then we have, oh, I like this brand. I actually have their peel off mask, and I'm not a fan of peel off masks, but I actually enjoy that one. Formula 10.0.6. Thirst No More Moisturizer. Yes, protecting troublesome young skin. That's right, this skin's young. We're not going to say how young or how old because it's rude to ask a lady her age. There we go. I'll just let you, I don't know, leave a guess in the comments how old you think I am. And it's not fair if you know me to put the answer, okay? Strangers only. You've heard of like OnlyFans? This is only strangers. Then we have Foxybae. That's such a cool name. So it's 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. You know what the best part about that is? Leave-in. Because you know what I don't like about hair masks is you put them on in the shower, then you've got to either, I don't know, sit in the shower for 15-20 minutes with the water not running, freezing your butt off because you're saving water, or you have to get out, dry yourself, get dressed, then stick your head back under the shower or something. I prefer leave-in. Just my personal opinion. There we go. Okay, this one, next one, it's got a story with it. It's called Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. Now, when I opened it up, I was like, oh my God, I feel like this was personally picked for me. It is lavender and maroon. I'm going to try not to blind anyone here with the light but there we go. It's lavender and maroon. And if you know me, I'm a member of Sigma Kappa sorority, and these are our sorority colors. Holy crap. That is so freaking awesome. So let's see how they look on my eyeballs. Let's see what we can do here. There we go. We'll just do a little quick eye. So interesting here. I could probably still sing one of my sorority songs. Sigma Kappas, we don't drink, we don't drink. Sigma Kappas, we don't drink, we don't drink. We don't smoke or chew, but we'll go to bed with you. Sigma Kappas, we don't drink, we chug. There we go. Like the national of our sorority is probably like, oh my God. Seriously, there's a lot of pearl clutching. Okay, this lavender doesn't show up as well. Maybe it'll show up under the light. I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. And there you have Sigma Kappa eyes. I really like that. I'm going to be so excited to like go and run and tell my Facebook sorority group. But they clutch their pearls over everything, so they'll be like, oh my God, they stole our colors. I swear, some people's kids, some people's sorority sisters. Finally, we have the Maelle Beauty Sun-Kissed Blush in Sundown. Please tell me, I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. There we go. Just blush it up. Oh, there we go. Sun-Kissed Blush. I really like this. It's not too peachy. It's peachy, it's pinky. It's not too much. And there you go. Ipsy, a little love letter there, sealed with a kiss. That's where to find me. And like, subscribe, watch another video. Until next time, stay beautiful.